Every woodworking project needs precision, and SketchList 3D gives you complete control over size and location of every object, boards, doors, and drawers with just a few clicks. In this video, we'll look at 3 powerful tools that make that possible. Let's start with the dots. SketchList visual tools for resizing and positioning your boards, assemblies, doors, or drawers. Red dots resize and show on each surface of the object. Blue dots relocate and show on the corners. The red dots control size. Right-click a red dot to open the sizing form. Enter the new dimension and click Apply. All related parts in the assembly resize from the middle of the object at the black box. You can move that box by dragging the white dots. The change happens from the location of the moved black box. Change happens automatically to all parts in the container, keeping your design consistent. The blue dots are for locating or moving objects precisely. Right-click a blue dot to open a form where you can enter exact numbers. You can also copy and paste location values between objects, a quick way to put objects together and align them perfectly. The calculator allows you to size or locate an object. The middle column of dimensions set the size. Enter a value for size. Then the buttons to the left and right turn green. Click the direction you want to change to make the new size. The left and right columns change the location. Changing one will turn the size and the other locator green. You can choose to resize the board or move it. You can use the columns in combination. For example, change both the left value and the center value and write the right. The calculator does math as well. If you pause the cursor in a text box for a second or two, you'll see the dimension changes, putting the cursor to the right. Now type in something like +3 5/8 and click the button you want to change the value for. You cannot use the slash for division because it's confused with fractions. So to divide in half, multiply by 0.5. Finally, the spreadsheet, your master view of and control for every board, door, or drawer in your project. When you change a value in a cell, the other 2 related column headings turn green. Click the cell where you want the change applied. Then click the green column header of the value you want changed. For example, change height. Select it and enter a new value. Click off that cell and the other 2 columns turn green. Click on the right column heading, the green one, and the object changes height. Entering new values for location, for example left or right, works the same way. You can also right-click a column heading to filter your data, or shift-click a heading to sort the column. Click again to undo the sort. The real power of the spreadsheet is that you can see and control all size and location data in one place. No need to open individual parts. It's fast, visual, and keeps your entire design perfectly organized.